Good morning everybody, Dwight from Impact Off-Road. Today we're going to change the cabin filter in a Daihatsu S510P. Okay, first thing we're going to do is open the glove box. We're going to put a light pressure, pull towards you and release the catch on the right side, and then a little bit of pressure and we can lower the glove box. Now, if we just put our finger here and flick, the cover for the air filter, cabin air filter will come off, and then we can remove it. And as you can see, it's quite dirty. Now, if we discard that, grab our new cabin filter, and you can see there's quite a difference in old and new. Just simply look for it up. So we slot that in there. Make sure we find that piece to go into the little hole on the far side. Simply push it in, a little clip, raising the glove box, light pressure, and simple close. I hope that helps you today.